How's it going, everybody, and welcome to Craft96 Coding. And today I'm going to show you how to create JText area application on Java. Okay, it's basically an application which inside of it you have an area which you can write a certain, not a certain word, but every character in your keyboard can be inputted into this JText area application. So, without further ado, let's first create the Java project. We'll create a JText for your project, and I click next, and then we click finish. Now after this, you need to create the class. Now let's create the class, and then we'll name it TextArea, like that, and click finish. And then inside this, first you need to do this first. Area JFrame f equals new JFrame text area. We'll import this JText area, and then we'll import this JFrame, and after that we'll create the constructor for this class, and then after that we'll create the JText area area equals new JText area text area 300 by 300, then area dot set bounds 0 0 400, and then 360. Guess that will be enough. And after this, we'll just create the just set the background first, because if you don't set the background and then the color of the foreground, then we won't able to see anything. Area dot set background color. Let's set the background to black. Area dot. Let's just first import the color. Like that. Yep. And area dot set foreground color dot. Alright, let's just do a little bit of a color that little bit gives light into the text. So we'll just use orange. Done. No, I missed this part. And then after this, we'll create the windows. We'll add this object into the JFrame, and then after that we set the size of this JFrame 400 by 400. By having this in the width to be 400 will match exactly the width of the frame. Okay, and then after that we set the layout. Set layout equals null. F dot set visible. This is the most important one, because if it's not visible, then we won't be if it's not visible, you won't be able to see anything. That's just pure logic. And for that, f dot set default close operation, JFrame dot exit on close, and we are basically done at this stage. Just need to create the main method. String arg. Let's say this will call the construct new text area. oops, I forgot. It's not strings, it's just string. And then wait, what's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Let's just see in here. I forgot that this is inside the constructor and it won't able to work. Won't be able to work. We just need to move it outside and inside this TextArea class, and then done. It will work now. Okay, so we'll just run the code and see if it works. Save the resource before running, and then voila, it worked. And let's just try to write some words. Well, let's see. Welcome to crafting 6 coding, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. No. Oh yeah, and after this, because as you can see, this text area is not wrapped yet, and if we write into the end of the line here, we'll just continue to write to the right side of the application into the windows, which literally does not exist. The text area only exists into 400, right? Now the solution is TextArea has a method called I forgot what is it called. Yeah. Let's just see. I guess it's set wrap, I guess. Now here we go. Set line wrap, and this method right here will wrap the text. Whenever it comes to the end of the line, it will wrap it into the second line of the text. And just let's try it. And whenever we reach the end of the line, it will automatically wrap the text into the second line of the text area, like that. See, it's more better now, right? Okay, and I guess maybe that's all to the text area. Maybe let's just change the color a little bit. You can do it white if you prefer white. That, and basically you can't do everything. You just need to experiment with it. You need to try everything that is in your mind. You use your imagination to create whatever you want, right? And I guess that's it for today's video. It's very simple to do, and it's very easy. And that's it for today's video, and that is very simple to do, and it's very fun to create and to do whatever you want with this code. And I guess see you later, and until then, happy. And I guess I'll see you later, and until then, happy coding.